fat flakes now. Very wet snow. Visibility is way down. Still, the road is manageable. But boy, is it coming down. People don't know how to drive, though. They tailgate, they get right up on you. And they videotape while driving. Bye.